Hello, I'm Dr. John Roberson. I'm a private practice oral and maxillofacial surgeon, and I am also one of the co-founders of the Vesper Institute IV Moderate Sedation Training Program. As we continue to look at the various different IV sedation programs out there, we kept asking ourselves, what can we do to separate ourselves? What can we do to pull away from the rest of the pack? And we did it with our 4 phases of our IV sedation program. First, you are going to have the online, including various different, mock emergency drills, as well as patient red flags, medical history. This gets you ready. Phase 2 is our in-person didactic portion. You'll spend 24 hours of CE with us at Vesper Institute. Phase 3 is our clinical. This is where you will go with fellow IV certified general dentists at Advance Dentistry and work alongside them as well as Dr. Sayre, and getting to see what you do every single day in your practice is what they do every single day in your practice. And then finally, phase 4, our ongoing support. At Vesper, it's not one and done. You are family. You are part of the Vesper Nation. We have quarterly meetings where all of our graduates come together. We present cases, we go over new medications, and we discuss other things that have occurred in their office as well. So we feel like our 4-phase program is unique and totally different than any other program out there.